Hey everybody, it's Pam of the Paper Outpost. Today we are continuing on with this process journal of decorating the composition notebook junk journal. And I'm using some things that I've already made or creating things along the way. Actually, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just playing with my journal. Let's see, we got some things we can play with here. I made these with you guys. There was just some random, oh, okay, this was a Trivial Pursuit card turned into a little pocket or a little piece. It could be anything. We don't know what these things are going to be. But I think, for some reason, I like the feeling of all of these, and I feel like they all want to be on one page. Maybe I'm just going to go do 3 little pockets. That's actually kind of cool. I like that. I think I'm going there. So, yeah, I mean, whatever you've got on your desk, just decorate the heck out of it. You know what I mean? Just don't ask questions. Just be bold. Go forward. Decorate the heck out of it. I don't remember exactly how I made these or why I made these, but sometimes I'll just take whatever's around me and just decorate the heck out of it. And then all of a sudden you have things to play with when you're making your junk journal. And so in this concept, I'm doing 3 little pockets. You can also do shelves. So pockets would be U-shaped glue. Shelves would just be bottom glue. Are there tucks, whatever you want to call them, shelves or tucks. I call them shelves sometimes. You can tuck bigger things in here that can peek out beyond the edges. It's just an example. A little bit, like it peeks out beyond the edges. Or you could put something so you could, in a pocket like that, it would be contained. Both will work. Both are fine, but I think I'm going to do pockets, which will define the space a little bit more. You just want to be mindful that the top pocket leaves enough room above it so that you have something that can go in it that will fit comfortably. So if I put this guy here, and then this little guy, and these little, oh my gosh, if you ever come across Trivial Pursuit game at a yard sale, a garage sale, they're great for little pockets and stuff, and you can decorate them, and they're the perfect size. They're all pre-cut. Same thing with index cards are fun to use, playing cards. They have a nice thickness to them, so you don't have to run out and buy expensive cardstock. You can use the greeting cards, cut them up. Okay, so here's the point I want to just stay to be mindful about, is that there's enough room here so that whatever you're going to put in there still has room to pop out, in this space. Because if you put it right to the top, it's going to stick out at the top, which is totally fine too. There's like really no right or wrong way to do these. Okay, so I'm going to let those dry. And I'm just going to meander back over here to the beginning somewhere. Here's a nice little random spot. I did have this. I don't know if you remember we made this. This was fun. I like this. What is this? This was, I guess you could call it a master board. What did I start it on? Oh, it was just a regular piece of copy paper there. I was testing my printer. It was just a random piece of paper. So I started gluing some fragile pieces of old newspaper and things to it, and then I sewed. It looks like on the machine I went around and sewed, and then I would do rubber stamped and markered, and I put some bling, and then I just left it. And so I just had a lot of fun with this paper one day and then just left it. And now today's the day it wants to come out and play. So I'm probably not going to use the whole thing in here. I might use pieces and parts of it. So let me get scissors, and maybe I'll just make some fun things with it. I could do a lot of things with this. I mean, it would actually make a nice journal cover. I really like it. I could totally thicken it up and make a journal cover out of it. But I won't. No, I'm going to use it in this journal. Okay, well, I could make a mini journal. I could make it, like this journal would need an accompanying journal. You can do that in this world. And but since this one is bumpy, I'm not going to do that. No, I've just talked myself out of it. I'm just going to cut a piece out. Okay. So random. Maybe I'll make a belly band. Okay, let's see how tall this belly band wants to be. Okay. Alright, now this bottom thing, it has to be adjusted. And you can trim, there's nothing wrong with that. It's your paper. You can do whatever you want with it. It's thick enough to be a belly band. I think that's kind of cool, but maybe more on a dark page. Oh, there are a bunch of dark pages in the front. Yeah, I think it looks good on a dark page. Okay, that's a good dark blue. We'll just go with this. And maybe I'm going to ink it up a little bit. Black soot, distress ink. I know you can barely read it. Sorry. My little dauber. Homemade dauber. Okay. Okie dokie. There we go. So sometimes when you cut things out of a masterboard, maybe you want to redefine the edges a little bit, just to give them a little bit more impact, poppage. And we're just goofing around, playing with paper. So today is a day of like I just want to play with the paper. I just want to have fun and goof around and play with the paper. Things that I previously made. I'm in that assembly mode. Yeah. Maybe it's not going to be available. Maybe it's going to be a pocket. And something's going to tuck in here. Maybe it's just going to be a side tuck. And I'm going to tuck a big thing in here. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make this an official side tuck. Because I don't have a lot of those in here yet. So... And remember, just because you make it a pocket or a tuck doesn't mean you have to put something in it. Sometimes you can leave that for the recipient to do. And they may or may not even realize it's a pocket or a tuck. But there you go. It is today. All right. So this is just, it's a tall one. And I'll probably stick something in there because I like to fill these little things up. But you don't have to. No. All right. So maybe we need to do a little bit more rubber stamping on this page. Here's one of my favorite stamps. This little guy, very inconsequential. I don't know why I said that. He's a very just innocent little flower. Let's just call him that. Get some ink on him. And it's always, a little tricky when you're working on warpled pages. You could probably, do better than I'm going to do right now, but I'm just going to do this. Yeah, there, I did that. I like that. It's kind of cool. Okay, I'm going to do one down here too. There we go. I know. Should I put one in the center? Okay, I will. I don't know. Yeah, I feel compelled. If I want to. Okay, it's like a little daisy chain over here or something. That's kind of cool. I like that. All right, so maybe we're going to have some dauber fun. Just going to take dauber. And I'm just going to do like a semicircle. That's not even a semicircle. It looks like a big thumbprint. I don't know why I did that. Just doing that. I don't know if I can do them here. Just a little bit. Okay. Something. Like put 4 corners on it of some sort. Oh, maybe I'm just going to keep playing. Whatever's left on here, I'm just going to keep going. Because I've got the dauber in my hand. This is called dauber fun. There's no real official name for that other than playing with the dauber. I'm going to hue it up a little bit. Give it a little more intensity. Darken it up a little bit. Okay, there. I like that. Still more darkening on this side. Okay, that's good. Yep. Now, and somebody could write under here if they wanted to. I'm just gonna let that dry a little more. Maybe I'm going to, I think, okay, so I got my nails done. Changed the color completely. I got these little flowers on them. And I thought they were really cute. She put a little sparkly in the center of the flower. I think I'm going to put a sparkly, just out of inspiration from that, in the center of the flower. So let me get some sparkly. Hold on. I'm right here. Haven't left the building. Here we go. Silver sparkly. Just like my fingernails. Okay. This is Stickles in, what color is this? Silver. Oh, there's a shocker. Okay. Let's just put some sparklies here. I hope it flows. I might have to get the thing. Oh, I gotta get the thing. Hang on. You know what that means. I gotta get a needle. Because it's plugged. So this is my way out of this. Kind of reopening the hole. And when these get a little bit older, they thicken up a little bit. Maybe they get exposed to air or something. Let's see if we're free-flowing now. Oh, yeah. We're free-flowing. Maybe 2 dollops there. Give like a double duty. Okay, that's cute. I like that. Okay, I'm not done stickling. I'm so excited about stickling right now. This is the bane of my existence. I over-stickle. I can't stop myself. I have too much fun. Okay, so I want to go around and maybe put little dots around here, just random little extra dot placements. just for the fun of it. It's just like amplifying the thrill of this little flower, maybe at the ends of the leaves too. Okay. Okay. All right, there we go. All right. Okay. There we go. There we go. Oh, I feel, I don't know. I'm excited. I stickled. Okay, I'm going to show you. I think it looks really good. I don't know if the shine shows up as good as it does in real life, but it looks really pretty. And, of course, now I have to wait for an eternity for that to dry. So I can either decorate this page, or I can maybe put some, why don't I just put some stickles on this? Because I'm here and I've got to wait for it to dry anyway. But for some reason, stickles takes a long time to dry. The glitter glue, longer than the Nuvo drops and liquid pearls. It just, for me, in my world over here in Florida and my humidity, it takes a while. Okay, we have these little curly cues designs that I did. I'm going to put maybe a blob in the center of those. What else do we have here? Maybe I'm going to put a row down here just to amplify the edge a little bit more, so somebody might recognize this. I don't know what this does for it makes me happy. That's all I can say, is it makes me happy to stickle right now. Sometimes it's all about just enjoying the process. And a lot of this is about enjoying the process. If you can let go of whether it comes out as a masterpiece, or you just enjoyed the heck out of your paper. If you just enjoyed the heck out of your paper, it's a grand day. That's a big win. That's really all you need in life, is just to enjoy the process. And hey, if it comes out good, that's like icing on the cake. But if you had fun, and you can take ownership of that fun, you'd say, you know what, I had a great day. The thing came out looking like what's that guy's name who smashes the watermelons? It comes out looking like that. It's still okay because you had fun. And that will be the grand barometer of everything in the paper world, for me, because it's got to be fun. That's like the number one rule. It can also be intense and creative and imaginative and all that other stuff, but gosh, I'm not letting go of the fun. I just gotta have fun. Okay, there we go. No, I'm not done yet. We got one more area here I'm going to follow. There's a little place in the paper here where it's like glued together piece, Frankensteinish like. So there, I did that. I can also do that here where these papers collide, where they connect with each other. That's kind of another cool thing you can do, is just follow the edging of the individual pieces. I could do that even down here, because I can't stop myself, because I'm now addicted to the process of stickling. Yeah, and I'll probably do this until the bottle's empty, which apparently never happens. There we go. All right, now we're going to call that a day. And we're just relaxing and goofing off. So that was the process video. And let me just put this paper clip that's here so it doesn't fold on it. Oh, yeah, you heard you know who? Let me get him. Okay, so somebody has arrived.
Hello, everybody. Sunshine. Oh, yeah, a little sleepy. Okay. It's a beautiful day here. I'm very sleepy. And, okay, so I would like to say that, when one is in the sleepy mode and then one gets taken out of the comfy, sleepy position that one is in, one might still be in sleepy mode. And apparently that's me. I'm totally still, yeah, I can't quite express how sleepy I still am, but I know that I will have much opportunity to sleep again, and I will sleepily say, happy crafting. It's very short today because I'm feeling very small and very sleepy. Okay, Sonny, I think we get the point. Good. Have a nice nap, everybody. Happy crafting. Sunshine out.
Okay, back to your nap. He's in sleep mode. I'm going to put it right in his little basket. So there you go, folks. You may or may not know my videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays, and Sundays. 7 a.m. Eastern Time, my podcasts, which are audio material about junk journaling, paper crafting, life of a crafter, and answering your crafty questions. They come out new material on Tuesdays, and then you can watch video podcasts any day of the week. They're constantly uploaded and on Spotify. And you can listen to the audio podcasts on most podcast platforms. You don't have to have Spotify for that, so just FYI. And if you can't find it, just Google Paper Outpost podcast and it should come up. And if you still can't find it, you can go to this link, which is my master link, that link, and type it in painstakingly if you feel like it. And you'll find a hyperlink there to it. You can also go down to the drop-down description box below to find all my links. And I have an Etsy shop if you're looking for journals and bundles and kits and fundles and printable images. I call them Digikits. They're all in my Etsy shop when available. The Digikits are always there. There's over really close to 300 right now of different themed images. And they're 5 pages each. And you can either buy just the images and print them out at home. They're computer files, JPEGs, or you can, I will print them out for you to up to 10 Digikits. Just buy the print and mail option and then send me through Etsy message the 10 Digikits that you want. If I only need the first 2 or 3 words, and I will print those out for you on nice lightweight cardstock. That'll get you 50 printed pages. And I will send that to you with free priority mail shipping. So there you go. And I have an Amazon shop for favorite tools and supplies. There's links in there. And I have a merchandise shop if you like the phrase create with reckless abandon, or everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise. There you go. You can get that on a t-shirt, sweatshirt, zip hoodie, mug tote, or water bottle. And you can find me on social media on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook group. Come join our Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun over there doing weekly and monthly challenges, as well as seeing what you guys make from these videos. And remember most of all that fun can be stickily simple and create with reckless abandon. Everybody take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.